blizzard yesterday. Ought to be alone, or so I say. I needed a change of scenery. She was really starting to annoy me. I went out shopping and planned to go to all the vintage stores. Then I got tired and ended up in some lame department store. And that's okay, 'cause I found a really cool belt and I feel like I'm in high school again. Never knew how much I missed until then. And I'm happy for this day. No matter what you say, I don't have to be sad like you. I have a commitment Friday night. First I say my prayer, then I'm alright. I sit in my chair, you dim the light. When I look, I stare with inner aside. I feel like I'm in high school again. Never knew how much I missed until then. And I'm happy for this day. No matter what you say, I don't have to be sad like you. Met up with some friends for Thai food. I liked it but wasn't in the mood. Can't you see that I'm just feeling blue? What I do's got nothing to do with you. I feel like I'm in high school again. Never knew how much I missed until then. And I'm happy for this day. No matter what you say,